Tutorial number 28 in CATIA. Let's start a new part design file. Okay, and in this tutorial we're going to use the multi-pad feature here. So let's create some closed profile. Sketch. Let's choose a rectangle. And let's make some translation. Let's make 3 instances and exit. Now if you click on pad only, so you're going to extrude all these rectangles with the same dimensions and thicknesses. Ctrl C. But now we want to make different heights for different rectangle, so we can use multi-pad. So now, as you notice here, CATIA marked the 4 profiles. For example, let's click on the first profile and make an extrusion for 10 millimeter, and then go to the second one. You can make it 20 millimeter, third one 30 millimeter, and fourth one we make it 40 millimeter. Click on preview. You can notice here we have different extruded thicknesses, and what you can do also, we can extrude on the other side. Let's choose one of the profiles, click more, so you have the second limit. You can make it, for example, 10 millimeter. You can click on reverse direction, so we can go to the second one. We can make it 20 millimeter, and for a third one we can make it 30 millimeter, fourth one 40 millimeter. You can click on preview. So we have extruded on the second direction. So we can click OK. So now we have an idea how to use the, if you have a look here, make multiple windows, you can notice the difference in the direction and extrusion between these 4 rectangles.